Hi, I'm Joanna, and if you're looking for a powerful yet gentle way to keep your teeth fresh and clean, let's talk about this WellLeo water flosser. Inside the box, you get the flosser, a cleaning brush, a USB-C charging cable, a tablet for cleaning, 5 interchangeable nozzles, and a user manual. It's sleek, lightweight, and comes with 300 ml large capacity reservoir, so you don't have to refill constantly. With 5 different modes, it's great for sensitive gums, braces, and deep cleaning. It delivers 1,300 pulses per minute, giving you that dentist fresh feeling at home. It's fully waterproof, so you can even use it in the shower. One full charge lasts up to 30 days, making it perfect for travel. It's easy to use, mess-free, and leaves your mouth feeling super fresh. So, for healthier teeth and gums, this flosser is a must-have. Grab yours today.